Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this cordless Jigsaw 20V from Parkside, the model PSTDA 20LIC3, bare unit only, battery and charger not included. It is compatible with all batteries in the X20V Team series, with a max cutting depth 80mm in wood, 5mm in metal, 12mm in aluminium. Cutting angle 0 degrees right, 22.5 degrees, 45 degrees and left 15, 30 and 45 degrees. Stroke rate from 0 to 2700 SPM. Features 3 states pendulum action and fine cut adjustment with a stroke length 20mm. Accessories included with a 3-year warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it and test it, of course, as usual. Included we have the manual, and there's the tool, 3 blades, speed wood again, and for basic metal. Only the tool. Now if you want, you can use the regular batteries or the performance battery 4 ampere hours or the 8 ampere hours. One battery, it can go here, and the other you can install at the power tool. And of course you can use one charger if you want the fast charger 4.5 amp, or the regular charger is smaller, it fits perfect. It is 2.5 amp. Most of the time I'm using the regular charger just to extend the life of my battery. It will last your battery longer. But if I need faster charging because I have work to do, I'm using the fast charger. So the tool, there it is. We have the parallel guide measuring from 0 to 16 cm. You can install the parallel guide here. 2 screws, loosen the screws, and you can install the parallel guide from the right or from the left. Tight the screws and start cutting the wood, metal, plastic. As I mentioned, the 20V battery used in the Jigsaw is compatible with other Parkside tools in the 20V series, making it a convenient addition to your existing tool set. If you have more than one Parkside power tool, you can use any other batteries. You can buy more than one batteries, it depends the level of your work. We have a dust extraction port, allows you to connect a vacuum cleaner or dust bag, keeping your workspace clean and reducing the amount of airborne dust during operation. The adapter, and you can connect your vacuum. The tool features a quick and easy blade change system, allowing you to swap blades without the need for additional tools. There it is, the lever. Guard is up and down. This saves times and improves efficiency during projects, of course. The blade here, pull the lever, insert the blade, and that was all. So easy. And again, okay, nice, I like it. And the guard. Here we have the switch lock and the on-off switch, soft grip, soft elements here at the trigger. Press that to operate, otherwise it doesn't work. Left and right. With a comfortable grip and balanced weight distribution, the Jigsaw is designed for ease of use over extended periods. Its ergonomic handle minimizes fatigue and provides better control during operation. Soft elements here at the front and here, I like that. Here we have the pendulum stroke switch from 0, 1, 2, 3. You can see how it's moving. Here it is the guide roller. Here we have the line guide adapter. If you want, you can remove. Pull this to plastic at the front and you can remove. And next you can remove and the slide shoe. And of course we have and the switch for the dust blower function. The base plate of the jigsaw can be adjusted to allow for pivot cuts up to 45 degrees. This feature is essential for angle cuts or more intricate designs. There's the Allen key. Remove the Allen key. Loosen these two screws. One here and one here. From the right we have 0, 22.5, 45 degrees, and at the left 0, 15 and 30 degrees and 45 degrees. Adjust, pull front and it will lock. Back and lock, adjust, front is locking. So easy. And then tight the screws. Definitely I would like to have some other mechanism and not use the Allen key. Nice storage position for the Allen key. And let's install one battery. There is no speed control, only one speed. And we can see the light. To enhance visibility while cutting, especially in low light conditions, the jigsaw includes an integrated LED light. It illuminates the cutting line, ensuring accuracy and safety. The speed control is with the trigger. As much you are pressing, it goes faster. Nice, so let's move on outdoors and test this tool. But before that, let's install this plastic. So if you are going to use the angle cuts, you need to remove this plastic because it will interfere with this area. Or let me see, I'm sure you can remove this transparent plastic. Okay. And use it just like that. And install again at the front. There it is. Perfect. The pendulum mechanism enhances the cutting efficiency by moving the blade in a forward and backward motion, in addition to the up and down action. This results in faster, more aggressive cuts, especially in soft materials like wood. Powered by a 20-volt battery, this jigsaw offers cordless convenience, allowing you to work without being tethered to a power outlet. This makes it highly portable and ideal for on-site projects or areas with limited access to electricity. This jigsaw is an excellent tool for those who value power, versatility and portability in their cutting tools. Whether you are working on home improvement projects, this jigsaw provides the performance and features needed for precise and efficient cutting. With its cordless operation and pendulum action, it's a valuable addition to any toolkit. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tool reviews, tips and DIY project ideas. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep building, stay creative, and I'll catch you in the next video.